Welcome to Selec Solar. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to register and set up your plant on the Selec Solar app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store as per your mobile device. Download Selec Solar app and click on Install, and after installation open the app. Click on Register. You can manually type the MAC ID or IMEI number printed on the side sticker of dongle. Or, scan the QR code printed on the side sticker of Wi-Fi or GSM dongle. Click on Validate. Type your name and mobile number. Enter the password, as per the given instruction. Enter your email ID. Click on Register button below. Type the OTP, which will be sent to you on your email ID. Enter the OTP received from mail. Click on Submit. After registration process is done, log in using the registered email ID and password. Click on Login. This is the app home page. Click on 3 lines on the top right corner. Select Plant option from the menu. Click on Add Plant button. Enter your plant name and plant address. After filling the details, click on Done. Now, from the Select Plant drop-down, choose your plant. Click on Add Inverter button. Now we have to scan the QR. Scan the QR on side sticker of the dongle, written as IMEI, then click on Next. Scan the QR on the side sticker of the inverter, then click on Done. Your app registration is now complete. Thank you for choosing Selec Solar.